Today, you're seeing this level of detailed design work in Forma. But in the future, we'll support the creation of even greater levels of building detail, LOD 300 and beyond, with the same kind of intuitive model for you, let you explore. But that doesn't matter for today's work. We'll make it fast and easy for the design team to continue in Revit, the first Forma-connected client. And I can't think of a better person to show us this than our Revit champion, Matt. Matt, welcome to the stage. All right. So what's available from Forma inside of Revit? Why don't you show us?
Yeah, let's take a look. So since Robin was able to add the Revit model to Forma during conceptual design, that Revit data is now connected to Forma. So when Robin was modeling, she was able to see all that Revit information while she was working in context. But when I'm in Revit, I can also see all that Forma data right here. So I have all that rich contextual information right here in Revit. But it looks like we still have some of that conceptual design phase data. So I'm going to go over to the Forma panel where I can see all of the models, and I'm just going to reload. And now we have all of the model data that Robin just modeled right here on stage, right here in Revit.
Yeah.
Yep. Everything I have in Forma is now in Revit. Pretty cool.
Perfect.
All connected, single source of truth?
All connected.
All right.
That's what connected data is all about.
And what else can you do with that data?
Yeah, so I know that, Robin, you adjusted that adjacent building for daylight exposure.
Yep.
But did we also take a look at wind analysis along the way?
Not since the conceptual design phase. So let me run a rapid wind comfort analysis really quick and see. Yeah, I'm seeing some uncomfortable conditions here, so you might want to check that.
Yeah, absolutely. So since Revit is now a Forma-connected client, we can now access Forma analysis right here in Revit. So I'm going to navigate over to the analysis panel, and I'm just going to change a few settings. So let's set the radius that we want to analyze to around 600 feet, and then let's just click Analyze. And what's even better is it's not blocking Revit at all. This is all running in the cloud, completely in the background, so I can just continue working.
Yeah, great.
And so along with this, we can also take a look at the analysis results here in Revit. Now, the wind analysis can take a little bit of time. So what we're going to show is actually the conceptual wind analysis that Robin ran the last time she did it. Because since Revit and Forma are connected, I can access all of the analysis results I ran in Forma right here in Revit. And anything that I ran in Revit, I can now access in Forma.
Great.
So we can check the directional wind analysis, and we can also check the comfort analysis, so we can look for those uncomfortable conditions, just like Robin was worried about.
So everything that starts in Forma, visible to Revit, all the changes done in Revit, visible to Forma.
Absolutely.
All right, fabulous. All right, that's Revit, the connected client.